Hi, I'm Dr. Varshney and I practice Pediatric Allergy and Immunology. Practicing medicine is just a unique field, combining science and the opportunity to help people every day through your work. And so I think that's just an incredible combination. It makes going to work so meaningful. And so in considering what I wanted to do, I wanted something that would allow me to help people. I enjoyed science, and I enjoyed really the human aspect of medicine. And so that really what drew me to medicine as a career. Well, I love my specialty, and I've always loved working with kids, and so that drew me to pediatrics early on in medical school. I love their joy, I love their hope, their courage, and I love the unique relationship that pediatric physicians have with their patients and their patients' families. Then in thinking about what specialty I wanted to do, or if I wanted to specialize, I found myself really drawn to allergy and immunology. There's just a wide range of conditions that you care for, and it allows you to still have that long-term relationship with your patients, which is what brought me into medicine in the first place. So pediatric allergy is I think a fantastic field. I truly love what I do. There's such a wide range of conditions that we care for, from food allergy and eczema to asthma to complex immune deficiencies. And a common thread with all of them is the opportunity to have these long-term relationships with your patients, and that really brings me just great satisfaction. In a field like allergy and immunology, which is just constantly expanding, we're learning so much each day. You know, my goal and the reason I come to work each day is to bring what I learn and what the field is learning to my patients to help them, lead healthier lives. And so I think, I think that's what they should know. I love to cook and I love to bake, and I like to cook and bake all sorts of cuisines and learn new recipes. And I think actually that intersects with my work too, because food allergy I think requires a really in-depth knowledge of the different foods that are out there. And I hear from my patients and their families a lot of what they eat and safe foods and food triggers, and so that's just an extension of one of my other passions, which is cooking and baking. I love the outdoors, so I love to hike and bike and just be out in nature. I think it's restorative, and it's so many of nature's beauties man cannot recreate, and so I just love experiencing that. And I love to do that with my family. So I love spending time with my family, exploring nature. So we do a lot of outdoor stuff, and traveling also. Traveling is a real interest of mine, and I love exploring new cultures, meeting new people, and just learning new ways to see the world.